Hi everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Hewitt's word study, Mrs. Hewitt's spelling at home. And I've got a new blend for you today. Today we're going to look at some sounds that come at the end of a word. So you're going to be able to use your rhyming to help you. Now, the sounds that I've chosen today is for a spelling reason, because I know that we do look at phonics and we use your sounds to sound out some of the words, but sometimes you can't use your sounds either. So the reason we're doing spelling as opposed to calling it phonics is that actually it's looking at words that are spelt the same. They don't always sound the same. However, today we can use our phonics for most of these words, and we can use rhyming as well. I've got some letters that I do want you to use your phonics for now. So sound this one out at home. That's right, that is A. And then this one is one of our digraphs, and that makes the K sound. Remember, the K is in your throat, okay? Sometimes it's just a letter C on its own, sometimes it's just the letter K on its own, but today we're going to look at it being both these together makes the K sound. Now, it's worth saying, the reason I'm doing this is that this sound never comes at the start of a word for the K, okay? It will be in the middle or at the end of a word. So today we are going to blend these together to make ak, ak, okay? And because a is what we call a short vowel, so we've got a, I, or a. They are short vowel sounds because they are short. They do an a or an e or long vowel sounds, and they'll be written with digraphs. So because we have an a sound, we use the ck to make the k sound at the end. Ak. It'd be the same if it was ik or ek or ok. Okay. If we had ache at the end, we would use the split vowel digraph with the E, because that makes it the long vowel sound. So today we are doing ak words. So I want you to have a think of some words that end with the ak sound. I've got one here. Okay, I have done sak, sack. And now I want you to pause the video and see if you can write down some words that end with A-C-K to make ak. So you can use rhyming, so sack, think of some other ones, okay? Pause the video and write them down now. Okay, so I've written some down and I want you to see if you've written the same ones. Remember, we're spelling it with that CK at the end. So when you do your spelling, you do your writing, you can use this rule to help you. So I thought of this one. Can you sound that out at home? That's right. Ak, back. I have got this one. Ak, pack. So I hope you're reading these out at home as I put them up to the screen. This one needed a capital letter. It needs a capital letter because it is somebody's name, because that is Jack. Jack. Okay, so we've got a capital J there. Now these have got digraphs, blends at the start. So it's not just one consonant sound, it's two. So we've got crack, crack. Okay, two separate sounds blended together. So crack. And also this one, track, track. And you'll remember the tr sounds a bit like a tr with a ch. Okay, but it's a tr, track, track. Okay, you may have got more than that, and that is brilliant if you have, so well done. Your final job is to pick some of those words and try and write maybe one or two sentences so you can practice writing your sentences as well. It's not just about writing words, it's about using them correctly in sentences. Here is my sentence. I want you to see if you can read it at home. Jack ran around the track, and then I've got quickly with a full stop at the end. So I could have put my full stop here, Jack ran around the track, but I've added some extra detail with my adverb to say how he did it. Jack ran around the track quickly. Okay, now it's your turn to go and write your sentence, not forgetting your capital letter and full stop. or capital S for any names if you put them in the middle of your sentence. And I will see you back here tomorrow for another session of our spelling. Okay, take care. Bye.